Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see here, it's going to be another video, and this is going to be on how I made these bath truffles here. These beautiful bath truffles that I call Winter Wonderland. These are really nice two-tone color here. Alright, so if you would like to see how I got these bath truffles, then please keep on watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jazzy Styles. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. Today is going to be another little type of entrepreneur type of video. What I'm going to be doing here today is I'm going to be making some bath truffles or bath bombs, or however you want to call it, but more so like these are going to be more so of more of like a moisturizing type of bath bomb. So I'm guessing that's why they call them bath truffles. It's different from bath bombs. It has more ingredients in there. Okay, so let's get right into this video. And before we get into this video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. I know I haven't been here in a while, but I'm here now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get my gloves here on. I have all my ingredients here. I will also list all of the ingredients and the ounces and all that stuff below and on the screen as well. I will go ahead and put down what each ingredient does, how it, moisturizes your body, what's the benefits of it, and things like that. So let's get started here. So I have my liquids here, which I have some shea butter, I have cocoa butter, I have my Polysorbate 80, and I have my vegetable glycerin. Now for my dry ingredients, I have my baking soda, I have citric acid, I have cream of tartar, and I also have my SLSA. And for another wet ingredients, which is going to be the fragrance, I have two fragrances here, which I don't know which one I'm going to go along with, but we're going to see later on. And I also have my mica because I'm going to be doing two different colors here, just so you guys can see that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started here. First, we're going to go ahead and get this baking soda here, and I have my shifter, and I also have my clear bowl. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here because the baking soda does have clumps in it, and we're going to get those clumps out. So my shifter, and let me get my little whisk here. Whisk that on in here and get those clumps out of there. Like I said before, I'm going to be making bath truffles. Okay, next I'm going to get my citric acid. That's pretty fine, so really didn't have to put that through a shifter, but it has some little clumps there. Next is going to be my cream of tartar. And now next is going to be my SLSA. Now this SLSA is real fine. Really don't need to put it through a shifter, but it does. It is like light as air, or whatever you want to call it. It's real light, and it does give off. You want to pour it in pretty slow because it does get in the air, and sometimes it might irritate you. So you could wear a mask. I'm going to go ahead and give that a little mix here. Mix all the dry ingredients in. I'm going to mix all my wet ingredients together so I can just pour it all in once at a time. So this is my cocoa butter, shea butter. I'm just going to pour the cocoa butter in here with the shea butter. I'm going to pour my polysorbate in here, and this polysorbate is just like SLSA. It helps for all of the oils and everything to disperse well in the water. And also polysorbate it helps, like once I'm using the color mica, it helps with the ring around the tub, so it can disperse better in the water and won't leave a ring around the tub. So I have my vegetable glycerin here, and this is also for, it gathers moisture out the air and brings it towards your skin. It helps bring all of the oils together and help it moisturize your skin. Bring all the oils and everything together to help get more moisture for the skin. So I'm going to mix all that up, and I'm thinking here I'm going to go along with this white lily and aloe fragrance here, and take this off here. Smells lovely. Yes, it does. I pour all those in here. And you want to mix well. You want to make sure that you get all of everything mixed in. Really good. You want to mix from the bottom to make sure you get all of the everything is mixed in well to me. I'm going to grab another bowl to half and halving this up. Like I said, I am going to be having two colors, so it's going to be two colors. So let me grab that other bowl. Okay, y'all, so I have the other bowl here. Half a bowl, so I am going to be using my blue mica powder. So I got here my little ice cream scooper, and that's what I'm going to scoop out these bath bombs. Those little ridges, that little design at the top. This ingredient, this here can make at least 18 to 24, depending on how big your scooper is. My scooper is pretty big. Before using, you're going to at least let these dry at least 24 hours. Rest of what's in here and stuff it. One little more small. And this is going to be a little small for me to test out. Sprinkle some glitter on top of them. Biodegradable glitter is good for the body. One moment. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I have my glitter here, and it's this clear, sparkly type of glitter here. See that? So like I said, the name of these bath bombs is going to be called Winter Wonderland. And this is just going to give it that illusion of like some type of snow or whatever. So I'm going to sprinkle a little of this on top of each bath bomb. They're finished. And I will be back to show you after they dry how they react in the water. Alright, so please like, comment, and subscribe once again to my video, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.